Hey, so today I'll bring you along with me on a short street photography session that I did in Geneva yesterday, the 19th of February 2022. I shot everything on this little bad boy, the 35mm from Sigma f1.4, and the weather was really sunny, and I went there from 3:30 in the afternoon, so the light was quite harsh, and that's why I picked up also a Cinebloom filter. It's the diffusion filter from Moment, the 10% one, and I think that's it. And after the POV segment, I will also quickly explain what are my favorite shots of the day and why they are. Probably also show you some pictures that didn't come out as good as I hoped. And that's it. Let's go. So why is this one my preferred shot of the day? I think it's simply because of the lighting. Composition wise, I think it's good, it works, but there is no strict application of any composition rules like the rule of third or anything like this. So the best thing here definitely is the pocket of light coming out of these two buildings in the background that creates more like a framing around the main subject of this picture. Because if it is backlit, we can't see a lot of detail, but it also creates this really nice and pretty contrasty shadow on the ground that comes right into the center of the frame, so that's why it's my best shot today. We can compare it with another picture I took at the same location, and I think it would have worked well if I composed it better. And the only thing why it doesn't work is the fact that the shadow is coming out of the frame, and that breaks the whole shot, I think. Another one I like a lot is the picture from the guy with a guitar bag. Unfortunately, I think it's missing a little bit, especially because if we look at the footage from the GoPro, we can see that he was actually smoking a cigarette. So it would have been better if my angle, if I could see a little bit more of his left side of his head, and if the shot was taken when he was actually smoking. And let's end up with some honorable mention. So the first one is a shot I took actually before even starting recording with the GoPro. It was still inside the railway station building. It's this shot with a quite a big, quite a heavy angle into it, because I shoot it from the hip, and I tried to level it up in Lightroom when editing the picture, but somehow it works better with the angle. I don't know, it's maybe reflecting a little bit better the busyness of the railway station. Next one is a typical fishing shot. I wait for the subject to enter in the frame because I was really interested and intrigued by this building with this bright red big pipe going on, going from the bottom to the roof, and combination of the colors and the composition, I think it works quite well. And the last one is also a shot that I took in the same location as my favorite shot of the day, just a little bit further, and I wanted to have only one subject in the frame, and I think I got one shot, but in the end I think this one with a lot of people that came out of nowhere suddenly works better. It's more busy and the lighting is great. It's create this framing around everyone, and also the subject on the left, the man has quite a good style, and I think it's a bit more cinematic. The story is better on this shot.